myself.
That's it. Do it myself. Oh shit. PD right there.
It just looks like he's sitting there too.
Cidercade.
Oh, I've been there before. They got a little bowling alley in there.
Yeah.
Pretty cool in there. It really is. These places are highly, highly expensive.
Yeah.
$1 million fucking townhouses.
Yeah, I'm teaching my son how to do real estate. He's gonna buy a used house, fixer upper, fix it, and then flip it.
Dude, he is riding our ass, man. Is this on their channel?
Yes.
Oh, so if he calls us in, it'll be on there.
No, because he'll run it on his terminal.
2 white males in the corner.
Oh, if he pulls us over, it calls it in. It'll show up.
Yeah, he's on his computer typing it up, dude. I can see it.
It's legit.
Oh my god, we're gonna get pulled over, David.
He's gonna pass you on the right. No, he's hanging back. Like he's gonna stop us.
You saw me reaching down. So they did it on
This plate
purpose.
number fishing is the park plate on freeway number record.
They don't like that.
Okay. He's all over that fucking computer, dude.
Oh, this motherfucker.
Get a live stream going.
10 or 9.
Coming to your side. All right.
My name's Officer Guerrero. The reason why you stopped y'all, you made a complete stop without having a stop sign.
No, he didn't. Quit lying, dude. He didn't do
I'm
that.
talking to him.
Hey, he didn't.
Do not start. Step out of the car from me.
You want me to step out?
Yes.
Okay, absolutely.
Hey, please, can you please send me a uniform? Want me to step out? Right there. Now, that's okay for now.
So when you see that black car come out, that is, I stopped because I couldn't tell what he was fixing to do. It looked to me like he was fixing to come on through the intersection. And so basically I'm just defensive driving. And so I stopped and let him go ahead and go. And that is what the officer stopped me for. When he was questioning me about it, I told the truth. I wasn't sure if that's what he stopped me for. He didn't specify. He just said that I had stopped without a signal that required me to stop. But apparently, if you're driving defensively, trying to avoid accidents, HPD doesn't like that. So there it is, folks.